What's up, home slice? Lucas here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to learn the Arabian, also known as the backflip 180, back half, half turn twisty misty, in only 5 minutes. But you gotta focus. All right, so for the first entire minute, what we're going to be working on is prerequisites, okay? Now, ideally, you'd want to have a decent standing back tuck and a front flip. Because honestly, the Arabian is basically a combination of those two things. Now, in my opinion, you know, you can just wing it. But one thing I would recommend having so you can do these progressions is a simple front handspring. Okay, so front handspring. That doesn't have to be pretty. That wasn't that pretty. You know, if you're looking to learn the Arabian, you probably already know how to front handspring, at least like that. Okay, so front handspring, first minute, work on it, get it snappy. Even if you have it, work on it. It's good to have. Okay, look, pop. Moving on to the second minute. What I want you to do is, I want you to work on a front roll, okay? So, boom. It's all right, doesn't have to look pretty. What you wanna do for this first 30 seconds of this minute is slowly turn your front roll away and away. Okay, so I'm rolling this way. I'm gonna slowly turn away from it until I'm doing like a 180 dive roll, okay? So, oh, look out, here come the foreign police. Minute 2 going on minute 3, okay? It's gonna be in between fusion. You're gonna put that Macaco hand down, but I want you to bring the other arm over, right? And you're gonna twist into it. So you're almost like, instead of going like this and around 360, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go 180, and then you're gonna go into dive roll. So watch how that combines, ready? So that's a Macaco, like that. This is the 180 crappy dive roll, like that, right? Macaco dive roll. Junk. Why do we even learn the Macaco? Why don't we just do a 180 dive roll? All right, because here's the whole dealio. Instead of doing a dive roll, we're gonna do a front handspring, all right? So that's kind of like combining the Macaco with the 180 dive roll with the front handspring. You're combining them all together like this. Turn, don't roll into it, handspring. So, like that. Holy moly. Something you really want to focus on is using your arms. Okay, so you jump, front handspring, jump, front handspring. Okay, down, arms. When you jump, you use your arms too. So practice that. Now practice this when you bring your arms in like this and do a 180 turn. Now do a jump, turn 180, bring your legs up. Try to tuck it tight. On this move, the tuck is really important. You want to time that tuck out right, but something I learned is the tighter you tuck, the faster you're going to spin. Duh, right? It's physics. But really with this move, it's all in that tuck after the jump. You jump, throw your arms like this, and then you tuck tight. Just jump up and tuck tight. You know, the tuck is really going to help this move when you just go, don't even send it, just tight. Drive those knees up. Now when you go for it, you jump, throw your arms up, bring them down real quick. So you go up, get the height, you come off the ground, you bring your arms up, you pop your butt up into the front flip, tight tuck, spin land. When you send it, put down a mattress, put down something, okay, you're gonna think about everything you just did, soak it up, let it go. Now you got it, it's yours. You wanna start like a backflip, arms back, jump into it. You pull your arms up like this, you wrap them up and around, and you tuck into it around. Oh, like that. Now a lot of people like to really send the jump up, turn, and then send a front flip basically. Some other people, like myself, kind of turn prematurely into it, which is the wrong way to do it. But it doesn't matter, you know, as long as it looks cool. Obviously I recommend going to a gymnastics center, because the first time you try this, you're probably gonna land on your butt or your back. You know, I don't want you to get hurt. Or put down some very soft mattresses, pads. It's gonna be a little bit disorienting. Even if you can do a backflip and a front flip, it's like a combination of both, but it's like, whoa, what the heck's going on? I'm doing one, doing the other, you know? And honestly, your first land is probably gonna be pretty low. Just one thing I recommend, I've put this in a video before, is try to land in the anatomical position, right? With your joints stacked like this, because you don't wanna land like this, or with your knees buckled like this. So just work on landing like that, because yeah, it could save your career. All right, so with that being said, you combine it all together, you'll get your Arabian. You work on the timing. It's all in the tuck and the timing. That's something you'll really figure out, but it's like right after you leave, it's where you tuck tight. Okay, watch it in slow motion. Here's a few examples. Hopefully that makes sense. Man, Hopefully this video helps you guys all out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming out, more tutorials. Leave me some suggestions. Peace, you all have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.